This is our co-working space. When we first bought the building, we have lots of things up on the wall, the bulletin boards, and this little kitchenette area, child-sized. We had the carpeting we had to figure out what to do with, the lighting, the old fluorescent lighting, the ceiling tiles, the 2x4 ceiling tiles were saggy, and we had the boiler air exchange units in the corners of each room. So the first thing we had to do was we found a solvent that would dissolve the wax and release the carpet glue safely. So we worked on that and got all the carpets up. Then we had to clean the solvent up really well so that we would be ready for the tile removal. So we had a lighting fixture that we found. It was a LED panel, so we replaced all of our fluorescent lights with the LED panels, and we had the boiler unit capped off so we could install HVAC in these rooms. And there is the new HVAC done, and the boilers capped off, and the new lighting panels. And then we were ready for tile removal. There's a lot of it up, still working on it. And we have it done here, and the walls are all clean and painted. Here's our little blueprint that we started with, and then we changed it a little bit so that each area would have, the conference rooms would have 2 windows, and then the main space would have 2 windows. So we have our walls going up, our little kitchenette wall going up, and the drywall started. And then I believe we have him taped and mudded, working on mudding next. And another shot of our large conference room wall. And then we started replacing the ceiling tiles with 2x2 ceiling tiles. There's our finished walls, and ceiling tiles are done, and some of the electrical has been run. And then we've got our little kitchenette we worked on, and we've got our beautiful black backsplash started, and there it's mostly finished. We've started our carpet tiles here, and our finished carpet. It's very beautiful. And then we had some baseboarding put in, and we started to get our furniture. So we've got all of our desks that we had to put together. Lots of desks for the co-working space. Those are the 2-person desks for hot desking. Here's our conference table, the large one, starting to put it together. And lots of chairs. We replaced our door. Got that all taken out and put in for our front door. And then we have an electronic panel that people use to get into the space with their membership. So you hold your phone up to the panel and it will open the door for you. And here is our finished co-working space with lots of areas. You have a common space that you can use for meetings or presentations. You have the dedicated Member Plus desks or the larger shared surfaces for hot desking.